All right, hello. This is 8.3 day 2, homework number 12. We got to find the asymptotes of the graph. Okay, and what's tricky is there's two styles of graphs in this chapter, and this one is basically the ninja star. And the reason I know that is the base ninja star graph is just 1 over x. Okay, so all we got to do is modify this where this plus 1 moves the ninja star to the left or right, and it's opposite what we think. So that's left 1, and this moves us up 1. Okay, so our base ninja star looks like this and has asymptotes at 0 and 0. That's the base. Well, that shouldn't be crossing there, but just have to pretend. And so our new one, our modified one, I'll draw it in a different color here. Maybe draw it in red. That one now moved, let's see, left 1 and up 1. So our new asymptotes are going to be, if we draw them in here, they're going to cut through there. So they're going to be right here, which is a horizontal line is y equals. So that's y equals 1. And here's our vertical asymptote. It's just an x equals line. And in this case, it's x equals negative 1. That's where it's cutting through the x-axis. Also makes sense because we went left 1 here. Okay, so it's the same shape. Well, okay, hold on. Let's do this. So to finish this, the vertical asymptote is x negative 1, and the horizontal asymptote is y1. If you wanted to complete this graph, it would be a ninja star, but it would also be flipped because this is negative. So if it's negative, it flips the graph to the kind of different quadrants. So instead of being here and here like it normally is, it's in the other two quadrants. Right? So it's going to look something like that is the shape we're going to have here. All right, and again, if you want to confirm this, use a graphing calculator. And you could see that that's what the graph looks like. You just need to do parentheses around this to make it work right on the graphing calculator. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.